front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos app and selecting Photos or Albums on the left. Either way, after you decided, you need to hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Then hit Select All at the top right corner, and to keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones. To get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!